Stop the music. Stop it. No. Hold on, what should I play? What should I play?
Little baby.
Little baby? Alright, what about Little Baby?
What?
Hey Google,
Yes.
play the Giga
What'd you say?
Chat song.
Play Something to Prove. Something to Prove.
Tin City was a mix. Okay, hold on.
Play the Giga Chat song.
No,
Hold on.
that shit is ass.
He's blowing out his first leaves.
Hey Google, play the Giga Chat song.
Purple, stay still. I will heal you.
Hey Google,
I'm in a drive-through.
play the Giga Chat song.
Make it a meal so I can get a drink. No, I'm not finished. That's not everything. Can I please get a double whopper with no cheese? Can I please get a number 2 with a large drink? I got money, so I don't care how much it costs me. So get bonus, so make sure I don't make them salty. All the cheese gonna make my booty drip, drip. I'm lactose intolerant, I don't slip. If I see a side of cheese, I'ma trip. I'ma sit on your toilet seat and eat it in it. So you got my little Whopper Junior, I didn't forget that. And you got my double Whopper, I didn't forget that. What about my iron ring? Hold on, you can sit back. Breaking in on me now, cheese, I don't want that.
Purple!
And I'm getting hungry now.
I need you to stop. Come with me, Purple. Purple,
No.
come with me.
Never.
Come with me, I'll have to put
There's
you down.
only one way out of this. There's only one way.
No! I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
There's something about you.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. He's right there. He's right behind you. He's gonna bet. He's gonna get down.
No.
Purple, let me bow to you.
Come here,
I
Purple.
wanna bow to you.
Purple, we need to do a little few test experiments on you, okay? Follow me. Close the door once you get out. Alright, Purple.
Purple, I wanna bow to you.
Take a seat, Purple.
Let me bow to
No, a seat right here. A seat right here. Wait, hold on, you guys don't enter the testing room. Oh, okay. So, Purple. Can you talk?
He's spinning. Wait, I can do that.
Wait. Do not go.
I'm in a drive-through, a burger.
Run! Purple!
I can spin. I can
No, I'm not finished, that's not everything. Can I please get a double Whopper with no cheese? Can I please get a number 2 with a large drink? I got money, so I don't care how much it costs me. So just throw in some extra fat, don't make them salty. All the cheese gonna make my booty drip, drip. I'm lactose intolerant, I don't slip. If I see a side of cheese, I'ma trip. I'ma sit on your toilet seat and do the nip. So you got my little Whopper Junior, I didn't forget that. And you got my double Whopper, I didn't forget that. What about my iron ring? Hold on, you can sit back. Breaking in on me now, cheese, I don't want that. And I'm getting hungry now.
No, leave me alone.
What the hell is he? Hey, where you going?
We could talk about this.
Hey, ain't no saluting. Before you go.
Purple, we could talk about this. Purple, we need you for a test experiment. Come here, Purple.
Stand.
He's really contagious. I need to get out of here.
I think he just. Okay, I think he's gone.
Oh, he's cute. No,
Yeah, I think he's gone.
I can
That was funny. That was funny. That was pretty funny. I didn't talk the whole
That
time.
was really funny.
I was waiting for him to kiss me again so I can be like, "What's up, dude? How's your day going?" As he's kissed.
Where'd he go?
He left. Do you?
Ow. Oh. Bro, see, it's only 2 of us.
Damn, I'm really messing up here, but damn.
Wait, hold on. I think I gotta go.
Really? Okay, cool.
I gotta leave you, cause
Get back here. Get back here. Man.